place to buy a ticket on this one.
Nope. No. If you got cash, you can kind of pay on the front. Today they'll probably open the back doors with the rain and everything. Nobody's checking tickets on the back doors. They've made a terrible system here.
Yeah, I'm surprised there's not a... If you go to a major, I mean, like the major... Last year we were here, we were Saved by the North. That's a major station, so you can get the tickets there.
The easiest thing is if you're going to be here for a couple days, you get yourself like a multi-day pass.
Yeah, we were last year, but this where we're staying at, and I'm here for a conference. It didn't go to the convention center. It didn't make sense. But this made sense because our hotel's right at the end of the line here. And traffic's so damn bad right now. We set on my Uber just as well.
Once again, use all the doors, use all the doors. If you do have passes, you are all set.
Next stop, Northeastern University. Entering Northeastern University. No smoking, please. Doors will open on the right. Northeastern University.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, use all the doors. Use all the doors. If you have passes, you are all set.
Okay, what would you totally fix that? Still that is not something we do around here.
Next stop, Symphony.
What you watching? What you watching?
Entering Symphony. Doors will open on the right. Symphony. The destination of this train is Leechville.
Get tickled today. Get tickled today.